think certification is an important issue, and I think we have lost quite a lot of it, or the focus on IT people is IT people don't go to university, learn a basic skill, and then stay there. So the IT industry is the biggest changing industry in the world, and it keeps on changing, and it will change quicker and quicker. So we have got a lot of catch up to do in a lot of ways. We talk about the biggest thing with IT is business value, not IT value. We talk about building business strategies with IT components. We're saying there's a split between a CIO and a CTO, and a CIO should be a business person. If we don't keep updating people's training on that basis, we are going to come short. We are really, really going to fall short. The other thing, of course, is if the training isn't certified, what do you measure it against? So you don't know. Anybody can start a training school in South Africa, unfortunately, right now. If there's no certification, and also if there's no continuous education after that, and fill in the gaps, and if the actual training doesn't evolve as the market evolves, then we are in trouble.
The role of IT in companies has definitely been elevated. If you look at IT governance that's been mentioned in the King 3 report, people are realizing they need to take IT very seriously, and training will help people to make sure they're empowered and equipped to fulfill the roles that they need to fulfill. And it's important for companies like IT Web to offer this to our readership. By partnering with CTU Training Solutions, we are giving our readers another avenue where they can learn more. The events department specifically does conferences where we look at high-level topics, but we also run workshops which allow delegates to gain in-depth practical skills and add value to their departments when they go back to the office. IT Web is a trusted provider. We're very trusted in terms of the content we provide to our readers, and I think that's a relationship that CTU can definitely leverage when it comes to their training.
The cloud itself is very, very, very complicated. It's got very sophisticated layers. The security around the cloud, there's different security legislations in different countries. So it's becoming more and more complex to what we store, how we store it, where you store it, where you retrieve it. But the truth of the cloud is it is the innovation vehicle of the future and the collaboration vehicle of the future. So it is something that is here and it's going to grow, it's not going to go. And we better understand all the intriguing components within the cloud.
Certification is really important in general in the IT field. It ensures that the people that are working on their solutions, be it product or a solution stack, actually have the in-depth knowledge to be able to add a value-added service onto that. Cloud itself is not just one technology, it's actually built up on a stack of technologies, and therefore it's quite important to have a wide variety of certification on the various levels, be them right down at the bottom layer, which is really product and raw computing, going up into the software stacks as well. At Fujitsu South Africa, we are very conscious of certification as we offer our customers an ongoing service. Not only do we do the initial sale, but we do offer ongoing support services and maintenance services to our customers. And it's really important from their perspective to have the confidence in Fujitsu and our staff that they do have certification and are able to work on those solutions.
Okay, the value of certification has changed over the years. Since I did my first certification. So right in the beginning, it used to be sort of the status symbol to show that you can do the work and you understand really what's going on. Over the years, that's changed, and it became the standard. You have these certifications before companies trust what you're doing. Or if you do your certification, is not just to look at the book information. It's really important to give you that background and to show you the entire environment. But it's also important to, or even more important, to get the hands-on experience. And if you don't get the hands-on experience, then you're probably going to suffer on your certification exams. But now we've got cloud, and everything is changing again. So you cannot sit back and say, yeah, now I know everything. You know, like with motor cars, the internal combustion engine just works approximately the same as 100 years ago. But IT is changing every year, and it's going to change faster now. And to be in the IT industry, you need to be continuously changing. So what I want to tell people out there is, don't be afraid of the cloud and the new technologies, but make sure that you're there and make sure that you're the one leading the pack.